All right, Wednesday, May 13th. A little bit something new we've added. We're going to do a writing menu. So we've got to work on our writing. We would have been moving on to persuasive writing if we would have still been in the classroom. But, you know, you can still get your practice at home. This is a choice board, so you're only choosing one of these to do. And I think we do have this come back here and there. It looks like every Wednesday. I'm looking at our thing. So you're going to be choosing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 total in all to do. But you're just choosing one, and just on a sheet of notebook paper or in a notebook, you are practicing on persuasive writing, which is trying to get someone to do something. So I was looking over this before I made my video, and one really good one you could work on is writing a letter to Mr. Warden, persuading, and that should be him, their principal's a girl, but telling him to let your class have extra recess. I know you all, that's like one of your favorite times of the day, besides math, of course. And why not get extra playtime? But you have to persuade, you have to talk Mr. Warden into it. So you've got to tell him your reasons of why. And I like this one too. Should students get paid for good grades? So think about which one you want to write about today. And I look forward, I would love for you to share them on Dojo or have mom and dad send me a picture to see what you write. Very interested in that. For math, you are moving on to Math Mystery Clue 3. And if you missed it in my videos, I added kind of a guide to help you learn how to answer this front side. So I did a video on that, so check that out. But let's see what Math Mystery 3 is today. It looks like the same thing we've been doing. So if you look for like Thursday, tomorrow, it's a little bit different. It's got word problems. So let's solve a couple of these just like we've been doing. Let's go across this time. Oh, this one is a little bit different. It gives you your product. It gives you your answer. You've got to find the missing variable, the missing factor. So 2 times what is 12? So that's 2 groups of something would be 12. So if you didn't know, you could make your 2 groups and give out your 12. So I already know, but that would be 6. I'd have 6 dots total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count one of your circles, there should be 6. If you're showing your work, I definitely suggest notebook paper because as you see, my circles are way too small and it was hard to count back those dots. But anyway, 2 times 6, so every I is going to be a 6. Or every 6 is going to be an I should say. Got several. All right, 7 times what is 70? Now this one's pretty easy if you think about it. Think back to our rule. The only thing different between a 7 and a 70 is the 0. So think back to the rule. We said you drop a 0 on the end when you multiply by 10. So 7 times 10 is 70. And that's going to be the letter N beside every 10. All right, now we'll do one more. 8 times what is 24? Again, if you don't know, you're going to sheet of notebook paper, draw your 8 circles, give out 24, and see how many you have in each circle. 8 times 3 is 24. So let's look at our 3s, and we're going to put an R. All right, so I'm going to let you try the rest. Again, it's going to give you a clue, and then you need to go back to the very front page and mark off who it's not going to be. So pay attention to your clue. You have another Social Studies Weekly article to read on recycling. And then again, your choice boards, your fun activities. And that is for Wednesday.